Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to filter in Microsoft Excel. Be sure to watch until the end for a bonus tip. Now let's get started. We'll go over enabling and clearing filters, filter options, one-column filtering, and multiple column filtering. There's a couple of different ways you can turn on your filters. Go to your Home tab, go to the right, click on Sort and Filter, click Filter, and the filter icons appear in your column header. I'll click here again to turn those off. Or go to Data, click your Filter button. The filters appear again. I can turn them off. Let's go over some of our filter options. If you click the Filter button at the top, this might look a little bit different on your computer depending on your version of Excel and if you're on Windows or Apple iOS. But if you go ahead and click here, you have these various options. You have equals, does not equal, begins with, does not begin with, ends with, does not end with, contains, and does not contain. And you have a list here of the unique values that happen to be in the column that you're trying to filter. Let's go ahead and apply some filters to the customer column, which is a text column. Right here, we'll deselect, select all. We'll just filter for Jane. Now let's filter for Sergio as well. And then we can clear the filter here. Or we can try a contains feature. We'll click in here, select contains. We'll type in SER for Sergio. And as you can see, it did the filtering right here. We'll clear the filter and remove the filter here. And let's go ahead and move on to the units sold column, which is numeric. We'll click the filter and we'll just filter for, let's say, 3. And as you can see here, the sheet was filtered for 3. We'll add a 7. We'll go ahead and clear the filter. And if you click in here, you have these numeric filters. So you can say greater than, let's say, 1. And now it shows all the rows where the values were more than 1. Let's clear that filter. Let's try another comparison filter. We'll say between, let's say, 3 and we'll say 5. And as you can see, went ahead and filtered for those values. We'll go ahead and clear this filter. And let's move on to the sales column, which is currency. We'll click on the filter. And we can go ahead and, let's say, select the top 10. And as you can see, it sorted the top 10 values over here. We'll click clear filter. We'll try another one here. We can do, let's say, above average. Click on that. And these are the values that are above average. Let's move on to the date sold column. I'll click on the drop down. Click here. Now you can pause your video if you like and just kind of read through all these. There's quite a bit. But I'll just go ahead and do the between. And I will select this for the after and this for the before. And as you can see, the filter has been applied. I'll go ahead and clear the filters. Okay, now for an example of multiple column filtering, let's go to total sales. And we'll say we want to see the top 10 total sales. And then we want the city as Chicago. And then we want the date 2019. And there you go. Okay, and then you can clear the filters by just clicking the column header and clicking Clear Filter. And there's one more left here. Or if you have a number of filters here, you can clear them by clicking the Clear button on top here in the Data tab. And there you go. Now it's time for the bonus tip. You can actually filter on a column based on cell color or font color. I'll click to filter, and by color, select cell color yellow. I'll do the same for red. And this time I will filter for the font color, dark blue. That's it for this video. You now know how to filter in Excel. Remember to like and subscribe to receive notice of future videos. Thank you for watching.